The appreciation of the great history of our forebears is a solid foundation in the construction of positive identities. We cannot walk tall among the nations if we do not have knowledge and appreciation of our history. The defeat of Italy by Ethiopia in the Battle of Adwa in 1896, which marked the birth of Pan-Africanism, enabled Emperor Haile Selassie to lead the establishment of the Organization of African Unity in 1963. As I walk here on the footsteps of our forebears, exploring the great Kai River, Umlambo, Nceba, we may recall that following the defeat of Major General Harry Smith by Prince Maqoma on the shores of Fish River, the British Army crossed this river in April 1835 to direct their firepower to Amagcaleka, who were perceived as less battle-hardened compared to Amagagabe. After the fall of Zanzolo on the dark waters of Nabach, the British Army crossed again here from Egcuwa, going back to Grahamstown, Echini, Emakhanda. This time they were accompanied by the nations of Abambo, who are known as Amamfengu. We may recall that in 1834, the British explorer James Alexander crossed this river to meet Uzanzolo for the first time. It was his description of King Insa which enabled us to produce the portrait of Zanzolo. When Gagabe left the kingdom of his father, he crossed this river to establish the second kingdom of Amaxhosa, known as the Kingdom of Amagagabe. The nations of Amaxhosa who participated in the 100 Years' Wars, such as Amagqunukhwebe, Amambalu, Imidange, Amantinde, Amagwali, crossed this river to establish themselves in the land between this river and the Khamtus River. Therefore, whenever we cross this river, let us appreciate and celebrate the great contributions of our forebears.